What's up, YouTube world? This your guy Billy Ball, the phone filler, back with another video. First of all, I want to give God thanks. Next, I want to thank y'all for the support y'all showing for the channel. On today, it's June the 23rd, and we headed out to get our Monday morning started. And our first stop, we got to go by Sunbelt Rental Company to sit down with the store manager. We detailed a 18-wheeler for them this past weekend. It was a pretty nasty job, so I didn't get any video footage because I didn't know what I wanted, what I was going to get into. So I wanted to time everything from start to finish, from setting the truck up till we finish washing, so I have a better idea. So next time I will get some video footage. We'll start washing the truck for them once a month. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna make that little road trip. But also while we out there, we got to stop by H&R, the Case International Kubota and New Holland dealer. We got to pick up some parts. We headed to Hamilton, Mississippi. We got a Kubota tractor. We got to rebuild a couple hydraulic cylinders. And also we got an RV. We got to drop the fuel tank and get the fuel pump out of it. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all get ready. And we finna get ready to roll out. So we'll see y'all on the next scene. All right, everybody, they got us to our first job. We got a little Kubota tractor, 3240 L, and these hydraulic cylinders right here are leaking. Got a leak right here, so we're gonna go ahead and replace both hydraulic cylinder seal kits. And so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get the rolling. We'll get these cameras running on time lapse, and we'll see y'all on the next part of the video.
I'm gonna try to get it on.
All right, so we're back with the next part of the video. We got this cylinder broke down real quick, and got it laid out on this rag. So we're finna get ready to break it down and put the these are the new seals, old seals and all that stuff that deteriorated is inside of here. So we're gonna keep on moving so we can move on to the next job. All right, everybody. I got this first part of this cylinder rebuild. So we're gonna throw it back together and we're gonna keep on moving. Put it back on track. We're gonna move on to the next. then they do this like this, tie stuff down, and put it back together. That's my strongest part right now. Yeah, tie it down and put it back together.
You turn it on, it just be
Jump.
you know it jumping, it be jumping on the ground.
Gotcha.
I said that probably knocking it.
Vibrating.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I about to scrap it out.
You just did it work.
Yeah. Hey, working like brand new.
Yep.
But see, I was telling y'all German then to keep, turn it off and y'all then turn that water off too. Y'all mess the pump. They messed that pump up on when I got it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It got me locked up.
Oh yeah.
On the hole.
Yeah.
Oh wait, good. I just see you now. Hey, James, you hold it down. Like, y'all be right back. Gotta go get some. To my day away, we got this spraying.
Yeah.
Hold up, be back. Gotta go in one of these holes. I'll be back. Yeah. Yeah, it's on me and you with it. I guess that didn't fall through.
That big dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
All right, everybody. Just got that dog knocked out the way. Now I'm finna get ready. Head up here to the RV and drop the fuel tank. So we'll see y'all on the next part of the video. Alright, everybody. Just made it up here to the RV and just did an assessment on that job, and they're gonna be a pretty good job. So I'm gonna turn this one down because thing look like it got about a 80 to a 100-gallon tank on it underneath it there. I just ain't quite got the tools to do it with, and trying to do it out here on the ground, it's just not gonna be efficient. So we're gonna pass this job up, but we got another job right down the road. We're gonna stop by and check on it. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll pick this video back up from there. But if not, we got some more work we'll go check on, and we'll see y'all there soon. All right, everybody. Just made it back to the house, just dropped James off. I realized I had this Bush Hog drive shaft that I put a new bearing in here at the house last week. So I'm gonna run it over here and go throw it back on this customer Bush Hog. And then later on this afternoon, I got a guy that used to work at the fire department with me, a real good friend. We're gonna drop his drive shaft in his truck and put some universal joints in it. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get it roll out and go do this job, and we'll see y'all on the next part of the video. All right, everybody, just made it to the Bush Hog. So flip the camera around real quick, show you what we got. This is a really old model Bush Hog, and we're gonna go in here, put all this stuff back on here, get it lined up. So y'all stay tuned. I'll go ahead and get my PTO shaft and get it set up. Set the camera up, going on time lapse, and get this squared away. We'll go ahead and do this job, and we can move on to something else. Well, everybody, got this thing knocked out. Got a new shield over in the back. Got everything connected. Got it greased. New band, housing, all that installed. So I'm gonna get ready to head out to the house and wait on my next customer. And while I'm sitting at the house, I got some brand new belts for to go on my air compressor here. So since it's on cloud over, like it act like it want to rain, we'll go home and we'll put these belts on. And so y'all stay tuned, and we'll be right back here shortly. Well, everybody, we're gonna end this video. My buddy came over. Didn't have drive shaft problem, got transmission problem, so wasn't able to do no work. So I take the universal joint back to the store on tomorrow. So we'll end this video right here. So thanks for watching. Y'all continue to hit, share, like, subscribe. And if you like the content, let somebody know. So we'll see y'all in the next video.